A USB barcode reader is a device that is used to scan a barcode and acquire barcode information saved in it. Blue supports 1D USB HID class barcode readers. The scanned information can be saved in graphic object properties or internal string variables. This video describes how to input data in internal string variables. Open all variable from Project Explorer. Register a string variable in which barcode data are stored. Set the variable name to string1 this time. Next, register an int variable in which the number of characters for the read data are stored. Set the variable name to bytes. Select Accessories from Project Explorer. Click on Plus USB Barcode Reader. Set the Save Data in property to variable. Bind the previously specified variable, string1, in which barcode data are stored with scan string property. Bind the previously specified variable, bytes, in which the number of characters for the read data is stored with scan string bytes property. As only alphanumeric characters are used this time, set key code to English 101. The details of properties are as shown here. Open screen. Select string display from tool chest this time and press it. Bind the variable string1 set for scan string with current value. Specify display characters for the object. Select numeric display from tool chest and press it. Bind the variable byte set for scanned string bytes property with current value. When data are read with the USB barcode reader, they are inputted in the string1 bound with scan string property. The number of read characters is stored in the bytes bound with scan string bytes property. Select lamp from tool chest and press it. Select target and bind the source property code preference.input completed from USB barcode reader with current value. This is how the property functions. When data input from the barcode reader is completed, it turns on. It does not turn off automatically. Turn it off manually before inputting the next data. Configure settings in Touch for this lamp to manually turn off the preference.input completed from USB barcode reader source property. When data input from the barcode reader is completed in this way, it turns on automatically. That can be used as trigger when you need some other actions working with data input.